So Dr. Rowe, if you're getting any of these sources of artificial sweeteners, what is a smart way to try to break that habit?
I think a smart way is to combine 1 teaspoon or half a teaspoon of your preferred sweetener with a teaspoon of raw sugar, and then wean yourself eventually off of the artificial sweetener.
I happen to think sugar is a pretty reasonable alternative. It doesn't have that many calories, but we've got a couple other options as well. Some of these are super sweet, so we thoughtful about them. Honey, agave is very popular these days. But there's one I had not heard of before. Dr. Rowe brought to my attention. Coconut sap sugar.
Coconut sap sugar is made from, as it suggests, coconut sap, and it has a low glycemic index. So, and you can use it the same as you would sugar, natural sugar.
Now, yeah, they're natural, and they are sweeter than table sugar. So because they're sweeter, you can get away with using less of them. It's one of the reasons that the difference in the calories per calorie. Don't cheat the system. Would you want to try these? We'll take all of you?
Okay.
Now, I love the idea that you won't mix it up. Just sort of give yourself the right pattern. I'm not saying it's more made the big, but in the center our taste buds in a way that might make it more. And we actually taste it through the big. I will thank you. All of my guests, I appreciate you being here. Next, in danger of too much fat. While we could be at risk and not even know it until it's too late.
Wonder if there's a dog on the TV that barks if it'll go off. My goodness.
I know, you two are hilarious. I think, wow.
Are you okay, baby? I know, baby girl.
Right? They actually chase each other more. Like, they actually run around to get each other. Junibee's totally teasing. So fast.
Well, that quarter 22 is also a golf dose up front. So, folks in your family and history of voices and golf?
Actually, we have a lot of gallbladders in my family.
All right, come on over here. A lot of women get gallstone problems for reasons we're talking about right now, but I want to demonstrate to everybody what the gallbladder is, what the
Thank you.
One of the big issues in families is they tend to concentrate fluids in their gallbladder differently than everyone in families. And the symptoms are subtle. A lot of times people have years of problems, and here's why. So this is the liver. Now I want you to look around for the gallbladder. The gallbladder is packed to the liver.
Okay.
Yep. Let me flip it around so everyone can see it. Can you all see that?